Hi first grade, sorry we missed you today in Zoom, but here is your activity. So in writing today, we reviewed captions. A caption is a group of words, most of the time a sentence, that describes the picture or the photograph. So we can learn a lot when we look at this car traveling through the snow. But I want to know more. Is it a blizzard or just a regular snowstorm? What is happening? Where are the people going? So I want to know more, and I can use my caption to help me. So I'm going to remove this box, and the caption says it is best to stay inside in a blizzard. So that sentence describes what is happening in the picture and tells me more. Let me go to another caption. Here we have a picture of weather. So something is going on. I see the beach. It looks like the waves are high. I don't see any people at the beach. The wind is definitely blowing. I want to know more about what is happening and what type of weather this is. So let me check my caption. It says a hurricane moves closer to land. Wow, so just by reading this caption, I learn a little bit more about what is happening in the picture or the photograph. Now it is your turn. In Seesaw, you're going to go to the next slide, and I would like you to draw a picture of one type of weather. You could draw a tornado, a hurricane, a thunderstorm, or a blizzard. So choose one type of weather and draw a picture of it. Then, at the bottom in the box, write a caption or a sentence describing the picture. Thanks for watching first grade. This is your activity for Zoom today.